What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, at least for the next series of videos, we will be doing a series of videos of what happened over at Urban Affair 2. Urban Affair 2 is one of the biggest streetwear sneaker events here in the Philippines, organized by DJ Big Boy Cheng and Secret Fresh. So I will be bringing you guys along with me. We'll probably do 3 to 4 videos. I'll put it in one playlist so you can watch everything. I'll put a link down below to the entire playlist. So let's get started. Boom! What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is a channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to go to Urban Affair 2, which is one of the biggest streetwear sneaker events that happens here in Manila, that's hosted by Secret Fresh. Of course, that's the art gallery and streetwear store and restaurant and a bunch of other stuff owned by DJ Big Boy Cheng. So for this part of the vlog, we will try to figure out what sneakers we will wear for the event. Now, I was initially thinking of going with hype sneakers, and we have a bunch. As you guys know, we can go with either of the off-whites. In fact, I was thinking of that one. That's the Jordan 1 Off-White Chicago, which of course the most expensive sneaker in my collection. Or we can go with this one, because I'm pretty sure that not a lot of people will be wearing this particular sneaker, and I actually haven't worn this yet. This is still dead stock. However, after thinking about it for a bit, I think I finally found the pair that I wanted to wear. This is a sneaker that I've kept in a box for, well, a few weeks now, and I haven't unboxed it yet, and I haven't shared it with you guys, because it's a very special sneaker, because there are only 5 in the world. It's a Jordan 3 that was customized by Sabotage. Now, if you don't know the guy, Google him and you will see that he does fantastic work with the customizations of the sneakers that he has. And I have the sneaker here. Here you have it in the box. We'll unbox it. And then I pretty much decided that this is the sneaker that I will wear for today. So as you guys can see here, this is the Jordan 3 box with the Sabotage logo. Evolved Beyonds, engineered and issued in Singapore. This is what the sneaker looks like. It's the Air Jordan 3 Deer Valley Titans Sabotage Custom Titan. Now, of course, to those who are aware of the sneaker scene in the Philippines, Deer Valley is part of the Titan brand, and this is actually one of the 5 pairs that Titan had customized by Sabotage using the Jordan 3 silhouette. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. This is what's written: custom sneaker, varsity Vones, Deer Valley Titan, Air Jordan 3, size 12, True Blue Jupiter. 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5 sneakers like this exist. Boom! Here you have it. This is the Jordan 3 Deer Valley custom by Sabotage. You see they're at Titan 22. You have the Deer Valley print along the side, and that familiar camo of Sabotage. Man, the quality of this is insane. Just take a look at that leather. Take a look at that plate. Wow, this is crazy good. Amazing quality. Damn. Oops, sorry for swearing. But yeah, you guys know. Wow, this is really great. Now let's take a look at the other pair. So you have the signature of Sabotage there along the side. And yeah, so this is what we will wear to Urban Affair 2. Guys, we're here at the booth over at Urban Affair 2. So wait naman kayo! So we're selling the Be the 1% shirt, and everybody who buys one gets a chance to win an Off-White Mercurial. Guys, we're here at Urban Affair 2. So nandito kami sa booth na Vincent Ball. So they have a store in Makati, tama ba? And most of the stuff they have are really kick-ass vintage stuff from LV and other designer brands like this one. So guys, so LV na 2,000 for shoulder bag, 10,000 pesos. Legit rig, panalo, 10,000 lang. May Gucci din, no? Magkano naman yan? 10,000 pesos. So, kung hindi kayo nakapuntang Urban Affair, you guys missed out. So guys, nandito tayo sa mga binibenta ni Big Boy Cheng. na mga sapatos sa personal. So yung mga sapatos na nakikita nyo dito, lahat sa kanya. Yan. All of those sneakers are his, including this one. Yan yung presyo, 55,000. All of them are size 11. So this one is 20,500. Mga Balenciaga niya, 60, 50, 50. Boom! I'm in love with the focus. Okay ka naman. Hello! What's up?
Shoutout sa mga kaibigan ko. Follow me at YouTube. And meron may channel ako, Orange Reviews.
Boom! Oh, I saw. What's up? Shoutout naman kayo dyan.
Shoutout sa mga kasama sa work.
What's up?
What's up?
Meron ba kayo gustong batiin?
Ay, yung mga tropa ko sa Garay, mga tropa ko sa Resorts World.
Kliyente ko dati yun.
Oy, ayun,
Sila
ayun.
Kingston, tsaka sila Martin. Kaibigan ko yung mga yun.
Yung mga bossing namin, sa casino po kami, sa casino.
Kaya promote nyo itong dalawang to ha. Promote nyo sila. Bigyan mo ng increase sa sweldo. Mababait itong mga to. Sobrang panalo. Okay? I'm here with Gio and Bianca of Chummy TV. They have a really great YouTube channel. So make sure that you guys subscribe to them. Sobrang panalo. Kaway, shout out kayo.
Please subscribe to our channel, Chummy TV.
Boom! Panalo!
Shoutout sa mga tropa ko din sa Pagkakaran.
But guys, tignan nyo yung Acer niya, angas, Kenzo. Boom!
What's up mga tol? Nandito ako ngayon kasama ko Sir Carlo.
What's up?
Subscribe nyo ako sa Glenn Sumang TV sa YouTube, okay? Thank you.
Okay.
So yun guys, ang mga para si Daniel Jamesy. Note kayo sa channel ko. Thank you, subscribe.
Boom!
Yo, sa Urban up here. Thank you, Carlo.
What's up?
Basta ba para ako lang, size ano siya? 40, no? 43 na Balenciaga. Boss Carlo, thank you. Boss Carlo, Reg. Hey, may nanalo! Thank you. Balenciaga. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Patugtog muna tayo ha, mamaya ulit. At saka may crepe. Galing kay Boss Bill. Bill, thank you, crepe.
Art Center. It's already 6 o'clock, so it's a bit late, but there are a lot of people. As you guys can see, it's crammed. So many people, so many stores selling a bunch of sneakers, a bunch of shoes. So if you guys, well, alam mo live, I'm supposed to invite all of you to come here, but you'll probably watch this the day after. So, so just make sure na lang you go to Urban Affair 3 next year in case you guys weren't here tonight. Boom! And we're back in my condo. So I am tired as heck. Man, that was that was a crazy event. As in, this is the morning after. I'm kind of a mess. My voice is a bit out from all of that shouting. Now there are just three things I want to share with you guys. Number one, the winners for the Supreme shoulder bag, body bag. Here we have it, as well as the monitor will be posted on my Instagram account. So if you guys haven't seen my Instagram account yet, head on over there so you can see if you won the Supreme body bag or the Acer Monitor. I'll also maybe just, well, put the names in the comment section down below so you guys can see it if you don't have Instagram. So congratulations to the winners. Number two, we can't stop the giveaways, right? We just can't, because that's how much I love you guys. So I ended up buying something from Urban Affair 2, which I bought specifically to give away to you guys, so that to those who weren't able to be part of the event, or you weren't able to join the crazy raffles that Big Boy Cheng did, you can still take part of it by just watching our video. So what you have to do, you just have to subscribe to this channel. You have to subscribe to the channel of DJ Big Boy Cheng, and then after that, leave a comment down below, whatever you want to say about the event, whatever message you have for DJ Big Boy or for me or whatever. And then after maybe just 3 to 4 days, I don't know how long, maximum a week, we will be raffling away this Supreme storage box large. So this one actually is from the personal collection of Big Boy Cheng that I bought from the event. So you go guys, subscribe, hit the notification bell, subscribe to DJ Big Boy Cheng's channel, and then please do leave a comment below so I can draw the winner for this Supreme box. I'll draw the winner Sunday. So you have 7 days to leave a comment to win this Supreme storage box. Lastly, before I end, I want to do a review. I mentioned that I wore the Sabotage Jordan 3s. This is the custom from Titan. And I can tell you now, it looks crazy good. It looks amazing. You will look unique in this. It is super comfortable. It is a Jordan 3. But you know what the problem is? It looks like custom sneakers really can't hold their own when it comes to being beat up. Because if you take a look at this particular sneaker, the paint is starting really to tear off along the sides. And it's really sad because this is the part that had the signature of Sabotage and the other pair had the signature. This is the pair with the signature of Sabotage. You can see the paint is already tearing off, and this is the part that had like Titan 22 on it. So the paint part here at the midsole, especially even here at the blue part, is starting to come off. So yeah, that's a bit of a bummer. And even if you take a look at the paint here, it's also starting to chip away. So probably I'll have to figure out a way how to get this restored. Because man, I enjoyed wearing this pair. They're so kick-ass. They go super well with jeans. So I want to make the most out of this. I will beat this up like crazy. I will wear the heck out of them. But I have to figure out a way how to restore them because it would look really bad, right? If they're just beat up like this. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do make sure that you hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell. We are giving away a kick-ass Supreme storage box. Sali na guys. Subscribe na. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. I hope you all have a fantastic week. Oh, and don't forget to watch this playlist because I will be churning out a bunch more of videos for the Urban Affair event. We'll do like a haul. We'll do like all of the best items that I saw. We'll do unboxing the stuff that I bought, and a whole lot more of content from Urban Affair too. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom! Lagay natin dito. Pwede ba lagay dyan? Lagay natin. Pero gently. Gently.
500 lang naman.
Yeah.
Peso.
So guys, what's inside this next box is worth $500,000 pesos. $500,000 pesos. Take a look.